everybody. Merry Christmas. Oh, hello. Oh, Casey, is that you? Oh, yes. Hey, before I get ready for Christmas, I get ready to load up the sleigh, and we're going to have all the toys for all the boys and girls. We're going to go all around the world to deliver them. I wanted to go over my list because I like to check all my lists twice, right? You know, make it all list and checking it twice. That's what we're going to do. Hey, I heard you know how to play Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star on the piano. Oh, that's a great song. That's one of my favorites. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Hey, oh, and I heard that you really love the color changes of McQueen, right? And Ninjago Legos. Oh, those are so cool, Ninjago Legos. And you love to eat chili noodles. Oh, I love chili noodles. But you know what? If you're an extra good boy this year, I have an extra special big surprise for you Christmas morning. You have to be a really good boy, okay? Hey, before I go, I'm gonna sing you a quick little song, okay? Me. We're dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Oh, I get so carried away on that. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, Merry Christmas, Casey, and we'll see you real soon Christmas morning. Go to bed nice and early Christmas Eve, and lots of cookies and milk, no cheese. Merry Christmas. Oh, hey, Rudolph, put that down.